Right. So you're probably wondering what the heck are Cargo and rustc, yeah? Well, let me tell you. They're the dynamic duo of Rust, the programming language I'm totally obsessed with. rustc. Think of rustc like the strict but super smart head teacher of Rust. It's the compiler, the bit of software that takes the code I write, which is kinda like a set of instructions for the computer, and translates it into something the computer can actually understand and execute. It's a bit like translating a secret language, but instead of cryptic symbols, it's turning my neat Rust code into ones and zeros that the machine gets. Oh, and rustc is also a total perfectionist. It checks my code for errors and won't let anything slide unless it's absolutely perfect. Let's talk about Cargo now. Cargo is like the cool older sibling who's got everything organized. It's the package manager and build tool for Rust. Imagine you're building a giant Lego set, but instead of just bricks, you've got different kits for different parts of the model. Cargo is the one who keeps track of all those kits, or crates in Rust lingo. Makes sure they all fit together nicely, and even helps you find new ones you might need. It's basically the project manager of your Rust project, making sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish. How they work together? Basically, rustc is the brainy one who does the heavy lifting of translating my code, and Cargo is the organized one who keeps everything in order and makes sure all the pieces are in the right place. When I want to build my Rust project, I just tell Cargo to do its thing, and it automatically calls rustc to compile the code. It's like a well-choreographed dance, with rustc and Cargo working together seamlessly to bring my code to life. So yeah, that's Cargo and rustc in a nutshell. They're not as cuddly as my mouse pal Rusty Lang, but they're definitely essential for any Rustacean. That's what we Rust fans call ourselves. They're the tools that empower me to try and build awesome software and bring my wildest coding dreams to life.
Bloody Nora. Gracie. Thought I'd seen the last of me cheese then.